y'all, it's your girl Nisha back with another vlog. Today is Sunday. I've had a couple hours of sleep. I feel refreshed. So I am going to go ahead and make this entertainment center that I was telling you guys about. So I have my new Craig crosscut station that I'm about to put together before I go out there while I'm drinking my coffee. I'm gonna do half of this project probably in the garage, all the like major stuff, and then I'm going to move it upstairs to the loft in pieces because it's just me today and I think it might be heavy trying to carry it up the stairs by myself. So I think that's what the plan is. I'm gonna kind of do the sanding and all of the drilling and all of that in the garage. And then that way upstairs, all I have to do is just put the screws in it, put it together, and then paint it and decorate, of course, because that's the best part, right? So let me go ahead, drink my coffee, put this together, and then we'll go to the garage and get started. So see you guys in a little bit. I'm already frustrated. I haven't even started, okay? I am not built for instructions, okay? I don't know who else is like this, but I'm not. It took me way longer than it should have to put that Craig thingy together. I had to take out multiple screws and do it over because I'm not built for instructions. And it wasn't even hard. I don't know if it's the lack of sleep or what. Then it took me forever to put together this folding table. It almost made me say I want to quit. The folding table. Maybe I just need to get a real workbench. That's what it is. But now I can't even find my safety glasses. Oh my goodness. But you know what? I'm just going to have to buy multiple pair when I go to the store. So don't come for me in these comments. I know I need them, but I don't know where they're at. So today we're going to have to make it do what it do. All right, I'm going to attempt to get started. All right, so I know I didn't do a lot of vlogging while I was doing my project, but today was just a day of just misfortunate events. I think I just was tired. But either way, the project is coming out perfect. So we're finally at the point that we can move into the house because I just have a few more screws to put in. And baby, it's time for prime and paint. So I'm pretty excited. So I will show you guys what we have once we get into the loft. So let's take this stuff in the house and then I'll show you what we're working with. All right. Okay, so right here is the 3 shelves. And then these are the 3 backs that'll go evenly across the shelves. And these are the fronts to connect to those. And then I went on and put down my drop cloth for painting so I can just go straight into that once I finish assembling all of this. Yeah, so I'll be back once I have it all put together and show you what it looks like. I'm done. It's built and I really like it. So let me show you guys what it looks like without primer and paint. And then we'll go to the next step. This is it. It's 3 feet tall and 72 inches long. So it's pretty big. So just for reference, that TV is a 50-inch. So that is the stand. So it gives me plenty of room to put all types of decor stuff on it. So I am pretty excited. I like it. I really like it. So let's see what it looks like painted and decorated. All right, guys. So I am completely finished painting and I love it. I do. I love it. And so let me just show you guys what it looks like. And then while it's drying, I'm going to go take a shower, change clothes, clean up this mess, and then I'll come back and we'll go ahead and decorate. All right, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I absolutely love it. So it's the same color as the coffee table, the crisp linen. And I'm going to also just pop in a picture of the inspirational item that I saw at HomeGoods that made me want to recreate this. And yeah, so that's it. And I'm going to let it dry while like I said, while I go take a shower, clean up a bit, and then I will come back and style this. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's all I got today. Your girl tired. I am tired. But I am smiling because I really, really, really like the outcome. So I just keep looking at it because I really like it. So anyway, that's all I got today. I'm gonna try to get this vlog out by 9 o'clock tonight. So as always, thank you guys for liking, commenting, subscribing, always giving me such positive energy. I totally appreciate it. And I will see you guys on Friday with some new stuff regarding the patio. So see you guys then. Bye.